Set up LevelMe, Precision Trigonometric Leveling. In the following operation, we shall perform a two-way trigonometric leveling covering 1 kilometer with the use of the Setup LevelMe application. In this way, we shall find out the accuracy obtained with a trigonometric leveling using a 1-second accuracy Trimble S8. First of all, we shall carry out a leveling on the basis of previously established points placed at intervals of approximately 200 meters, which means that 200 meters levelings will be made by means of 5 stationings in the outward course and 5 stationings in the return. With this method, and assuming an average inclination of 5 degrees, we can see the extent to which per each station we save 10 stationings made by geometric leveling. Users may feel at ease if they finally modify the leveling layout. As with LevelMe, one can find out if the intermediate points coincide, or if on the contrary, the return leveling runs along another course, while still indicating the same point name. LevelMe makes it possible to carry out 2 types of leveling: two-way leveling and double leveling. We shall select the most suitable leveling for each case. Here, for time optimization purposes, we shall select double leveling. In order to carry out the leveling, we shall situate ourselves, as with a geometric leveling, at the midpoint of each pair of points and will stick at a fixed height of 2.4 meters. Then, we shall establish the number of readings to be made and whether we wanted to also record in direct circle and in reverse circle. In the interests of accuracy, we shall make 7 readings in both direct circle and reverse circle. The device will automatically perform the rollovers to complete each one of the readings. When the leveling starts, the application checks the name and reference level. In our case, we start leveling at point NAP6. Once we have taken the back point, the possibility is enabled of rotating points or continuing with the front point NAP5. Once the first leveling is over, we can go on to the next part. In this case, as we are using the double leveling method, we shall station the equipment again and repeat the process. Once the first part has been recorded, double leveling method, one must repeat the operation in the second part until all 5 parts have been completed. Once the 5 parts have been completed, we shall be able to close the loop, which means that if we turn to the loop section, we may observe how the closed loop option is enabled. Moreover, with LevelMe, one can export the file in full format, Trimble Dini M5, and current job, obtaining the sets of readings in each and a compensation report. In our leveling, one can observe that we have closed a full loop, both the outward and return currents amounting to 1 kilometer, the overall course being of 2 kilometers, and with an accuracy of 1.1 millimeters. One can also observe how the application discretizes the internal sub-loops by showing the partial closures of each subpart. The results show more accuracy than that expected, as along with the closure error, we can see the foreseeable error in accordance with the characteristics of the device and the geometry of the measurements made. In this case, the closure is of 1.1 millimeters, with a foreseeable error of 2 millimeters. LevelMe directly shows the closure errors and the compensation on our controller, without any need to perform tedious desktop work. Moreover, with LevelMe, one can export the file in Trimble Dini M5 format. Setup LevelMe is compatible with Trimble S series equipment. As we can see, LevelMe makes full use of the possibilities of a trigonometric leveling, obtaining results that can compare with a high accuracy geometric leveling. One should also mention the additional advantage of the considerable time saved thanks to the increase of the distances and slopes. as well as a significant increase in productivity in relation to geometric leveling.